Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download YouTube videos straight to your laptop or phone using a website called Cobalt.tools. It is super easy and completely free. So whenever you come across a YouTube video you want to download, just like I have on my screen, here is what you need to do. So when you right click on a particular video, let's say for example I am interested in this particular video. When I right click, I'm going to click the share button. It's going to give me a link. So what I need to do is to copy the link and head to the website where the magic happens. Here is the website. You just paste in the video link here, and when you paste the video link into the input feed, you click on this arrow. So when you click on the arrow, the video is going to automatically start downloading. As you can see, the video is already downloading, and based on your network it's very fast. And on some settings, I'm downloading currently on 720p. You can set your settings. Perhaps you don't want it at 720p. You can do the video adjustments just like we have on the video tab. You can change it from 720p to either 2K or 4K video quality. So that's it. Very quick, simple and effective. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next one. Bye.